about the latest breaking news update, since this is a developing situation and the meeting has been proposed for 5 p.m. The students have sent an email to the Chief Secretary. The students have given one condition: videography of the meeting by separate videographer of both the sides is the condition that's been once again laid out by the protesting doctors. The video will be handed over to the junior doctors after the meeting, and the minutes of the meeting will also have to signed with the transcript. So that's the one long-standing demand that has been raised by the junior doctors in agreeing to meet Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, and they continue to reiterate the same. Let me go across to Kamalika joining us with more details. So yes, the protesting doctors, the association has agreed for a meeting with Mamata Banerjee, who's come out to say this is the fifth and the final chance they have to meet her. But this comes with conditions once again. Kamalika, tell us more.
Yeah, with conditions definitely, and right now we are there in Mamata Banerjee's residence where the said meeting is supposed to take place. Now we'll have to really look into this mail which has been sent by the doctors. Today in the morning around 11:58 in the afternoon, Chief Secretary did send a mail to these two junior doctors where they mentioned that Saturday night at around 9 p.m. when there were talks were supposed to happen, there was a demand of live streaming. Then they were saying, the Mamata Banerjee came out and requested them that it's not possible to have a live streaming. Then they again had a meeting, and when they at 9 p.m. they came, they said they're okay without a live streaming. That point of time it was told to them by the Chief Secretary it's too late. Sunday also the administration tried to reach out to the students through police and through various other mediators. Today in the morning this letter was written by Manoj Pant, who is the Chief Secretary, stating that since the students they don't want a live streaming anymore according to their last discussion. So they want a meeting, the meeting today at 5 p.m. If they are interested, then they can come. There to reply to that, the junior doctors have written that after the Saturday incident, there are two big developments which has taken place. One is that Sandeep Ghosh has been arrested in this rape and murder case, and Tala Thana OC has also been arrested. So keeping in view that, they have given three conditions. Number one, videography of the meeting by a separate videographer by both the parties.
Okay.
That is very important. So, a videography by both the parties, that is in their clause. Second is entire video file of the meeting to be handed over to the doctor representatives immediately after the meeting. So, the videography has to be handed over to the doctors immediately after the meeting. Number three, minutes with full transcript of the meeting to be recorded and formulated by both the parties and duly signed by all attendants and handed over at the end of the meeting as stated by Honorable CM. Saturday Honorable CM has stated that. And he has written, please consider the above points and we are ready to come. What I am getting from our sources that the bus and everything is ready in the Dharna site. Here also the MOS Health, Chondrima Bhattacharya has already entered in Mamata Banerjee's residence. The DG, Rajiv Kumar, he has entered into the residence. We really have to see that 24 hours are not left for the Supreme Court hearing tomorrow. Before that, whether this deadlock ends or it continues.
Oh yes, so an ultimatum from Mamata Banerjee that this is the last offer, an ultimatum from the protesting doctors that if not live streaming, the entire meeting must be videographed and a copy must be given to the doctors as well. Many thanks, Kamalika. We'll keep coming back to you. For the moment, let's cut across.